Hi, I'm Pastor Dolan from Ictus Bacolod, Philippines. I wanted to take a moment to reflect on and express the depth of my gratitude for the tremendous impact you had on my life, my family, and my ministry. Words almost seem inadequate to fully capture how deeply your coaching has influenced me, but I will do my best to honor the transformation that has taken place in my life. When I first connected with Thrive, with Jeff, I wasn't fully aware of how much change I was about to undergo, not just in my external ministry but within myself. Through your guidance and coaching, I've come to realize that true ministry begins internally, with the way we live and carry ourselves in every moment. I've experienced a shift in my mindset from seeing ministry as a set of tasks to complete to understanding that it really an overflow of a life lived with intentionality and mission. I've learned that my personal life, my relationship with my family, and my faith journey are all intertwined with my ministry. It's no longer just about doing the work of ministry, but about becoming someone whose life reflects the love and truth of Christ in every aspect. This new understanding has impacted my family in profound ways. Our conversations, our routines, our huddles, and the way we support each other have become more aligned with the shared purpose, our mission. I feel that, as a family, we're not just living life side by side, but actively walking in a calling together. Thrive has taught me the importance of being missional in everything I do. Whether I'm at home, at church, or out in the community, I now approach each moment with an awareness of how God can use me. It's not about compartmentalizing my life into ministry and everything else, but about seeing my life as a continual opportunity to share God's love with others in both big and small ways. This has led to a great sense of purpose and fulfillment because I now understand that mission isn't something I turn on or off, it's part of who I am. This journey with Thrive has also impacted my church ministry. It has moved beyond typical responsibility or expectation. It's as if the burdens I once felt have become lighter because I'm no longer striving to do ministry from a place of duty. Instead, I am now ministering from a place of abundance. The passion and the joy I've found in Christ naturally overflow into everything I do. People in my community have started to notice the difference, not just in what I say, but in how I live and how I lead. I truly believe that my capacity to serve and lead has expanded because I've been equipped through Thrive to live a more balanced and intentional life. Your coaching has provided me with not just tools for ministry, but truly tools for life. How to be present, how to lead with grace, how to remain silent, and most importantly, how to keep my relationship with Christ at the center of everything. So from the bottom of my heart, I want to say thank you. Thank you for the ways you've invested in me personally. Thank you for equipping me to be a better husband, parent, and a leader. Thank you for showing me that it truly means to live a missional life. And thank you for empowering me to serve and lead from a place of love, passion, and purpose. I know that this is only the beginning of the impact Thrive will have on my life and ministry. I look forward to continuing to grow and serve alongside you all, and I'm excited to see how God will continue to work through this incredible network. With sincere gratitude and a heart full of appreciation, again, thank you so much.